This Volkswagen Tiguan came in to get its old paint protection film removed and install new one, along with window film. First, we start off with removing the old paint protection film. Paint protection film or PPF can be easily removed without extracting any paint of the car if the PPF quality is good and installed properly. After removed the PPF from the whole car, we now start with the paint correction process. Followed by wax polish or gloss enhancement. An intense foam wash. We now start with window film installation. Window film blocks 99% UV rays. And is sun and heat resistant, which helps keep the car's interior cool. It is angular and does not reduce any visibility. We then begin with paint protection film installation. We use TPU quality of paint protection film, which stands for thermoplastic polyurethane. It has self-healing property, which helps minor scratches to heal on its own as soon as it comes in contact with heat. Paint protection film stands as a shield against stone chips, bird droppings, and many other mishaps on the car's paint. Our seamless and full tuck installation makes it almost impossible to know any film installed. We also protected the interiors with interior coating to keep it safe from dirt, dust, and other contaminants. And coated the alloys as well. This Volkswagen Tiguan is now fully protected for years to come.